Okay, it's 5 minutes past 8 o'clock in the morning, the New York time. It is the New York session that we're going to look at here. So let's see, what do we start with? Okay, euro dollar. Most folks are interested in the euro dollar. Okay, most folks are interested in the euro dollar. Okay, let's go ahead and look at what we have here. Okay, we are still consolidating. We are so we took these highs in the morning. Well, this is fantastic. Okay, so let's look at the daily. Let's first look at the daily. So you see the daily, we have this so-called bullish, the retail flag. Okay, they have their support resistance trend line. That's what they are using. So I'm looking at the euro USD here. So here, what did we do? We ran above, we opened here, dropped call, we ran above 1-2 highs here. Okay, we ran above 1-2 highs, Friday's high and Thursday's high. We took liquidity up there. So what are you looking for? What are you looking for here? Let's mark this high. Okay, this candle's high and this other high is high. Let's look at the euro dollar. Let's look at the let's look at the dollar index on a daily. So I'm going to look at the DXY on the daily as well. Let's look at the DXY on the daily. So daily candlestick. Let's look at the DXY. So let's remove all the indicators. So the same thing happened here. We opened, dropped, took this low and this one. Okay, we took this low and this one here. So you already see price trying to buy. Okay, you already see price trying to buy, trying to push. Okay, you're trying to push it higher. So let's see here. We have the inverted version. Let's have a 15 minutes time frame. This is a DXY. Let's look at the US dollar 15 minutes time frame. So do we have the news? Yes, we do have the news. We do have the news on this pair. We have the 80 level right here. Okay, we have the 80 level right there. We also have an imbalance in that level. We have an imbalance in here. We have an imbalance there. We have an imbalance. We run above these highs. Okay, you see these highs? We run above these highs here. this liquidity taken up here. So let's wait and see what time do we have the news. Let's look at the index. Let's look at the euro index. Look at the euro currency index. Okay, so we all see we've been consolidating here, then we run above. If you don't know this site, if you don't know this website is I think I have it's, let me put the link in the description below for you to, let me paste the link. Put for you the link. Okay, then you paying TradingView for a multi-view, you can use this free website. You can use the free, just click on the link that I'll provide below. If you're using a computer, you will be able to see very well. So let's see, saving that one. So the dollar currency index, we see this imbalance here on the dollar currency index. Okay, you see this level, and if we had a manipulation in the morning, we run above this high, so we see we've been consolidating here on the dollar index, sorry, the euro index, currency index. So let's wait for price. Let's wait for price to come here, and we see what to do, because remember we are using the 80 level. And the other thing is we would want to see the dollar index, the dollar currency index rally. Okay, we want to see the dollar currency index buy. Okay, let's see if the dollar currency index will buy. We wait for the euro dollar to trade to the 80 level. See, push down. There, the 80 level. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. You're only using the 50 and 80 levels for your entry. Pound yen, the GBP JPY. Let's look at the GBP JPY. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Okay, we had this imbalance before, but again, do we have a 50 level above? The 50 level is keeping price below it. Do we have the news today? Let's see if we have fundamentals today. If we have the news today, allow this domain. Okay, add box. Let me check. Let's check and see. Let's see if you have. Then you just jumping into the charts. You need to know if you have the news. Okay, I have so many ads here. There's so many ads here. Let's see what's on this side. Yeah, it adds sometimes. So as the site is loading, let's see the dollar at what time. Then we also have at 10 a.m. Then the euro, we also have high volatility at 1400 hours. That is in the afternoon, the New York time. So what are we going to look for? Let's look at the daily candles. Let's first look at the daily candles. So we know we have the news on it opened and dropped, and we see it buying. Okay, it opened and dropped, and then we see buying. The other thing is the euro index. Let's look at the EXY. Let's look at the euro index first. EXY. Oh, it's not this one. It's okay. Let's 80 level as well on the euro index. We have this 80. Okay, prices. So we've been consolidating here. Let's see here. Okay. So we have the news today. We have the news in the afternoon. This pair on this currency, rather, the euro. The euro, we have liquidity down here. Okay, we have a lot of money down here. The retail support levels. We also have a lot of money to take. So let's give it a few minutes. Let's give it a few minutes. Let's come back to trading view. Let's come back to trading view. Let's wait for it to take few lows here. Okay, consolidated here. Then let's wait and see if it comes back to this area of imbalance. We take the trade. Okay, it has to give us an opportunity. Okay, we are not chasing price. It must give us confirmation, not just entering the market like a blind. Okay, we are looking for 50 to 100 pips, but since we don't expect high volatility, so we see this one pushing price higher. See pushing price higher. Let's wait and see as well. So what you do, 11 a.m. See 11 a.m. Okay, that is 11 a.m. 30 minutes, few minutes to the New York Open. Just few minutes to the New York Open. So here, why are we expecting this one to buy? Okay, we were expecting this one to buy. Okay, we're expecting this one to buy. We were expecting this one to buy. So we see the dollar buy, and we're expecting the euro to sell. Okay, we're expecting the euro. Expecting the euro to sell. If it takes the old high here, okay, if it takes the old high, because we have an old high up here. Okay, 1011. We have this old high. Yeah, June 23rd. This is an old high to euro currency index. So let's wait and see if this imbalance gives us liquidity down here. We are only waiting for opportunities to enter the market. Okay, we're only waiting for opportunities to enter the market. 10 minutes to the official time. Let's mark 8 o'clock in the morning. Half past 8. So let's jump to a 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. Let's look at the midnight open price. The midnight open price. Midnight. Midnight open price, right there. So midnight So we see it dropping or coming towards the midnight open price. So let's wait a few minutes to this. Yeah, about a few minutes. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep watching. So again on the euro 1 hour time frame, euro dollar 1 minute time 1 hour time frame. Why do you want us to have it on 1 hour time frame? Oops. 1 minute time. Why 1 hour? Okay, so most folks are ready to sell here. Most retailers are ready to sell here, and I don't think it's a cool idea before what time? 11 o'clock in the morning. You see the euro. If you come here and look at the euro, okay, we have this old high and we are consolidating. So we don't have news on we have news on the euro in the afternoon. Okay, we have news on the euro in the afternoon. So this is our 1 hour time frame. Why did you want us to look at the 1 hour, Ivan? Why did you want us to look at the early chart? Because you see we have this channel, okay, the retail channel. The retail channel. So we have this long here. Let's see. This one, from this to this. So if you're to buy the future below this, okay, below this one here. Let's go back to 15 minutes. Okay, we see it dropping. We see it dropping. Let's look at the currency index. Okay. Cool. So it is selling. Don't chase price. Do not chase price. Okay, don't chase price. Do not chase price. All you have to do is wait. Okay, don't see these candles and you think that, oh, it's the right time. No, it's not the right time. You wait. Okay, so let's wait. We have to sell here. Coming for these lows here. Okay, it's dropping. Okay, so I have first. We are starting the 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. This is the 80 level. Okay, we have the 80 level in this area. In balance, we have the 80 level. Okay, so let's look at which other pair. Let's look at the dollar pairs. Let's look at the dollar pairs. Euro USD. Let's look at the pound dollar. This is the euro pound as well. This is the euro pound on the 15 minutes chart. If you didn't buy here on the 80 level, 50 pips. Okay, let's skip. Let's wait. Let's look at the pound euro. Sorry, the pound dollar. Don't chase price yet. Don't chase price yet. Okay, between midnight and 11 New York time. Don't chase price. Do not panic. Do not think that price has left you. No, you just wait. Okay, you just wait. This high was taken just like we had predicted from this low to this high, then we sell above that high. Just wait. Okay, do not panic yet. Do not panic yet, just wait. So this is the pound dollar. Let's look at the USD CHF, the dollar Swiss, the king of volatility, USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF, 15 minutes. This is a 1 minute. Do not panic. It's a 1 minute chart. Then it's 15 minutes. Did we take this high as we expected in the morning? Relative equal highs. What price level? We are above the 50 level. We are above. Okay. So let's wait here and see. This imbalance pushed price higher, but we have a 50 level down here. We have a 50 level down here. Okay, so do not panic. We have the 50 level right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Right hand side. Okay. Dollar Swiss, euro dollar, dollar pound comes for these lows. Okay, comes for this low here. Came for this low. Let's wait and see. Okay, it's 8:30 now, the New York time. Let's look at the dollar index. Let's look at the dollar index, DXY. Let's look at the DXY. Okay, came for these lows here. I don't think it will give retail traders what they want. This channel here, I don't think it will give them what they want, but let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. USD. We have retail support here, resistance rather. We have a retail resistance. So this is a failure swing. Okay, this is a failure swing right here. It's a failure swing. Where did we open? Let's look at the open. We opened there, dropped, then bought. Let's look at the pound index, the pound currency index. It will be picked. Okay, so you see what is happening on this pair. So on this currency index, we have a lot of money down here. Okay, we have money. We have a retail support here. So this is the other failure swing that we see here. Okay, the pound yen. Okay, the other folks are waiting to buy the currency index, but we have liquidity down here. Okay, twina sente wano wansi. Let's go back to trading view. If you get the 80 level around here, we came for liquidity down here. Okay, we came for liquidity down here. So are we repricing? We might get the consolidation here. We might get something like this here. Okay, in the future. Okay, this here. We might get something like this. Reason being, so since we've taken these lows here, we might get something like this around here. Okay, in the daily time frame, we might get something like this on the dollar Swiss. Okay, let's look at the Euro USD. Have the 80 level here. We also have the smart trading entry, 50 from 50 to 80. We have 70 as our smart trading entry. All we need to do is not chasing price. Pound, we are consolidating around here. Let's keep waiting. If we are to sell in a shift, this is the retail lower low, okay, and we don't want to see this. If it is to sell, let it first take these lows here, okay, these short intermediate lows here, not these small things. Language. If it does so, sells below these lows, you're looking at the 80. Okay, because if you look at what the big boys are looking at, this high and this low, okay, and maybe this small one. So if you pips or maybe a margin call, so whatever you're doing, you need to be careful. someone wants us to look at the USD JPY. The USD JPY, okay. It is selling, it's okay, no worries. Don't chase price. Don't chase price, just wait. USD JPY. Let's go back to 15 minutes. Okay. So it is a confirmation here. It's a bullish. You see bullishness here. You see bullishness here. You see bullishness here. Let's wait and see. Give it time. Okay, give it little time. Euro USD. USD is also pushing price lower. Okay, Euro USD is also selling. Euro USD is also selling. Okay, Euro USD is selling. So let's wait. We take these lows here, just like we predicted, just like we wanted. We at least take that low. Okay, we at least take that low. We at least take that low, then okay, we want a strong candle to give us an imbalance, then we look for opportunities to enter the market. Our smart trading entry is this level right there. If you don't know about the smart trading entry, then it's not a big deal. Okay, smart trading entry. Wow. Okay, on the euro dollar, we want to see at least these lows taken, then we look for an opportunity to enter the market. USD CHF, we are buying here. So the dollar is buying. The dollar is buying. So we expect bearishness on the pound dollar and the euro dollar, okay? But don't chase price yet. Okay, don't chase price yet. Don't chase price. You're going to use institutional levels to enter the market. When you look, you're just going to use institutional levels to enter the market. So we have a confirmation. We have a confirmation on the pound dollar and the euro dollar. Okay, wait for it to break at least this low, then you look for opportunities to enter. Slowly by slowly by slowly, don't chase price. Let's look at the New Zealand. Okay, this is the news. This is the news at 8:30. Okay, we at least take this look. Let's look at the NZD USD. Okay, the NZD USD, this is what we have here. We have this area of imbalance. You're going to look for an institutional level. Okay, you're going to look. Let's look at the daily first before we let's have this. Okay, this one opened, rallied, then dropped. We have liquidity 1010 here. Okay, took this one. You don't have any imbalance up here. Okay, between any imbalance up there. Let's have 15 minutes. We have the 80 level here. You are not buying here. You're not buying yet. Yet we have liquidity in Wagulu, but you're not going against the dollar because the dollar is seeing bullishness on the dollar. Okay, we see bullishness on the dollar. DXY, pound dollar. Okay. We have liquidity 1 and 1. Okay. Tulina akawoga awo. Remember to use a stop loss on the lot size internal. Lot size internal and the stop loss. GBP USD, NZD USD. This loss taken, so we're coming for this. This one is here, this one is here, okay? We have a 20 level USD CHF above this high here. the 20 level. Okay, in a 20 level. We have the 20 level there. Once you are in a 80 level here. This imbalance has already done its job. Okay, the Asian range low, ya de katononyo. Then once here we have the 50 level here. Okay, don't forget to use institutional levels for your entries. Those are perfect entries. Don't forget to use institutional levels for entries. Okay, let's look. Okay, so USDCHF, let's look at the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand SY, the daily. Okay, we yambuka wagulu. Like okay, if it buys, then against US dollar you're selling. USD JPY, let's go to USD JPY. Someone wants us to look at the USD JPY. How many pips from side? Let's see. It's this high. Okay, something like 100 pips, 80 something pips if you sold above the Asian range high. Okay, USD JPY. USD JPY. The daily. Okay, we have this 1, 2 of this imbalance here, but I don't think so. So we are generating liquidity in a lot, okay, and we see we are already bullish. So which means the Japanese yen must be consolidating. Okay, means of one is consolidating because we are in uptrend. Let's look at the Japanese yen currency index. JPY. Okay, the Japanese yen is consolidating. That's why we see the dollar taking it seriously. Okay, yeah, it is consolidating here. So here, what do? You're going to look for opportunities to bought here, trading above these highs. We have an institutional level, we have a 50 level right there. Okay, we have a 50 level right there. Okay, doing a 50 level hour above these highs. To an imbalance. Okay, to an imbalance there. Liquidity at least this low here. Okay, but we are not seeing the dollar fall because the DXY is buying. The dollar currency index is buying. So this one has already given us confirmation. We have an 80 level right here. In an 80 level one. twina 80 level, twina. Okay, we have the 80 level. What are we attacking? Here and here. Okay, that money. Okay, just so center of tunnel. Then we see. Okay, this is Euro USD. We have the 70 level. Euro USD. Since the dollar is buying, so we are going to look for opportunities to do the opposite to Euro USD or ku Euro dollar. USD CHF 50 level here. Okay, you have a 50 level or no? Ku USD CHF. Those the New Zealand. Okay, then so we see the dollar is the New Zealand dollar against the United States dollar. We have the 80 level down here. We have the 0 level here. We have a 20 level here. Okay, our now 20 level. And the 80. Okay. Just the JPY. JPY rather. This DCHF 50 level. Euro USD. We have this 70 level. And the 80 level here. In an imbalance. Don't chase price. Let's wait. So get to Linde. So get to Linde. You wait. So 50 ku Euro ku USD CHF. We have an imbalance here. Near 0 level. USD JPY. Also have the 50 level ku USD JPY here. Right here, okay? Okay. The dollar. Let's wait and see. Bueno area. Euro USD. Have that 70 level. Let's keep watching the USD pairs, the US dollar currency pairs. so let's look at the Japanese yen currency index. Tulabe what it's doing, because it is trying to misbehave here. Let's look at the euro dollar. We are still stuck in the imbalance. Okay, we are still stuck in the imbalance. The pound dollar to Charlie 1 level. Charlie 1 level. Let's the New Zealand and so let's end this stream from here. Do your analysis bulungi nnyo. Do not go on the wrong side of the market. Use institutional levels for your entries, and till 11 o'clock in the morning, okay, look for an opportunity to enter the market. Maybe a bitono. Let me also look for a kawogo.
Religion.